Hi dear students, welcome back to your chemistry class. Today we are going to start with a new topic, and you know what? It is the modern periodic table. In the modern periodic table, we have about 118 elements. They're actually divided into two parts. 92 of them are found naturally, and 26 of them are made artificially in the laboratories. Okay? So, in the table, tables consist of two types of the rows. One is the horizontal rows from left to right, and the other ones are vertical rows that we are going to start with each one. So first, here the rows. They're also called the periods. In the periods, the elements are arranged according to their atomic number. We have studied in the previous lesson as well here. So, how many periods do we have in the table? Actually, there are 7 of them. We have 7 periods in the periodic table. So, why periods? Why do we call these periods? Because periods, it means start from one point and again come to the first point. Here, the properties repeats for elements in each period. It means after a specific range of elements, the properties repeats again. Actually, it starts with an active alkali metals. The elements, the period start with inactive alkali metals and ends with noble gases. So, for example, for the second row, it starts with inactive alkali metals and ends with a noble gas. And again, it starts from active alkali metals and again, it ends with the noble gas. So the property repeats. That's why we call them the period, or that's why the table is called periodic table. So we are going to have a surprise. So here we are with the surprise, the periodic table. It is actually the modern periodic table. We said that we have about 118 elements. So it starts from the very first and it continues till the 92nd one, which is uranium. We talked about that they are natural. And after that, there's 26 others are actually till oganescium. There are human handmade elements, or they are made in laboratories artificially. So first, we also say that we have 7 periods. So the first period is called a very short period because it has only 2 elements, 1 and 2. Hydrogen starts with hydrogen and ends with helium. The second one and the third one, they are normal periods. Why? Because they have 8 elements. 2 here start with lithium and 6 others are here. Ends with neon, sodium, start with sodium and ends with argon. Here is a point. We say that they are arranged according to the atomic number. For example, lithium is number 3, the next one is number 4, the next one is number 5, carbon, number 6, and other ones as well, the same. The fourth one is called a long period. It starts with potassium and it ends with the krypton. Why it is a long term? Because in this part, some new elements are added to the table. They are called transitional metals. From here, 10 elements are added to this group. So 2 here, 10 here, and other 6. So they are totally 18. And the next group, which is the 5th, it is also a long period because it also have about 18 elements. Start with rubidium and ends with xenon. The 6th group, for many years, it was the very long and the longest period of the table. Why? Because the table was not completed, but in a few years the table the scientists completed the table. So the 6th and the 7th period, both of them are they have about 32 elements. Why? We have 2 elements here, we had 10 elements here, and 6 other here. But what they are 32, we have 2 series in the 6th and the 7th period. These 2 series are called lanthanides and actinides. From 57 till 71, in this column, in this point, there are elements. Lanthanum is the first one, and 14 other elements are beneath this cell. And here, from 89 to 103, actinium is here located, and 14 others are located beneath the actinium, like this, because we have a 2D periodic table. Most of the time we write them outside the table, but actually they are like this: actinium, and beneath that actinium the next one, and uranium, until the end the 14 elements are located there. So these are called the periods. And don't forget, there was a point. We said that they are called period because the properties repeat. How? Lithium, except the first row, lithium is an alkali metal, active alkali metal. It starts with lithium and then it finishes with neon, which is an noble gas. Again, it starts with sodium, with an active alkali metal. Again, it's finished with a noble gas. So that's why we call that, because the properties repeat, the table is also called the periodic table. So that was all about the periods. We are going to start with the groups in the next video. Don't forget, stay home, stay safe, and save lives. And like, subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Goodbye.